This is a voiced consonant. You can hear it at the beginning of the word dame, in the middle of the word ladder, at the end of the word odd, and at the beginning and end of the word did. In English, we make this sound with the tongue behind the teeth here. So let's practice. Listen and repeat. Dame, ladder, odd, did. Okay. You may find it difficult to hear the difference between this voiced sound that you hear at the beginning of the word dame and its voiceless partner that you hear at the beginning of the word tame. Listen carefully to hear the difference. For each example, I shall say the word with the voiced sound first. Dame, tame, doom, tomb, meddle, metal, herd, hurt. Did you hear the difference? You might be able to see the difference. Look. Dame, tame, dame, tame. In English, we say the sound at the beginning of the word tame with a big puff of air. Look. Dame, tame. Let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. Dame, tame, doom, tomb, meddle, metal, herd, hurt. Okay.